Hello guys, welcome to day 188 from 400 Days of Learning Programming Challenge. I'm going to continue what I have been yesterday trying to code, which is trying to create and design the Discord channel interface. So here, as you can see, this is my Discord channel. If you are not joined yet, you can use the invite link in the description below. Here is a community that of programmers that we helping each other into learning web development. So I'm trying to create these interface, as you can see, but here is what I have done until now. I just put some sections, create a template, and right now I'm trying to create these icons which are here. So let's continue doing that. So yesterday I created these buttons here. Let me remove this comment. Okay. Now okay, what do we have here? We have a button which is a circle. It have an image, but I remember we created a style for it, like 50%. This is a channel name. The channel name is this ID, but let's do something else here, like actually I have to copy and paste this 5 times. Like this. Okay, the second one is the first one is this icon. The name of it is Discord icon. Discord icon. Pressing Ctrl S. Let me do some changes in the settings so we can get rid of this hover pop-up window settings. Hover. And okay, let's bring it here. Okay, now we need to change this to Discord icon. Let's watch it. Okay, so we have this and this. Let's create the plus button and the server and then download. Plus, server, and download. So we are going to say copy and paste it here. We can copy the ID. To the plus and change this to plus icon. Okay, now copy it again, paste it, server icon, one more time, copy and paste. Download icon. Let's see the result. Okay, now we have it. 5 icon, but some of them I mean, this one, the server, is looking ugly. Actually, it's not at the center. If you check this, this is not looking at the center, right? And what is the reason? Maybe it is because I screenshot the image from here, but some sort it's just not a good screenshot. Let's just take a clean screenshot, trying to do a clean one. Okay, get back here, turn off the alarms, save this one to here. Let's get to this folder. Copy this name, remove it, paste it for this one. Okay, now it should look more better. Yes, it's getting in the center. The rest of them is looking good. The plus icon is also a little bit in the right. So let's do the same thing for the plus button. Screenshot very clean. Give this name, save, replace it. Let's save our code and let's see the result. It gets a little bit better, but I think I just accidentally cut the edge of the right of the plus button, but it's okay for now. We are just trying to practice, okay? So let's watch this. I think this div tag, this black div tag is too much big, right? So maybe not. Let's put these icons in the center and we will see. We have to put it in the center, give them some space. So how we can do that? We can give it a give them a class and trying to put them in the center, but at the same time we can say we can use line test. Okay, I have messages that I cannot answer yet, but let's focus on the ruler. Let's give it's a 71 pixel wide. Okay, now let's see here. It's too big, 87 pixel. So we have to give it a little more. We have to shrink the size of it. Let me check what is in spec here. I'm searching for the name of this div tag. It's left side column. So left side column, right side column, This is the left side column, but it should be under something else. Because I think it's under the container. Let me check the codes. Okay, it's under the container class, so we can say the container class. It can have a little bit less size, like 50 here. It's how much? Let's see the size of the width right now. It's looking close to what we want. So let's get back to our job. Now we have to say left side ID, left side column, right side and left side. Okay, left side should be text align center. Let me sort the codes. Okay, press Ctrl S. Can we see any difference? Yes, all of the items getting in the center. And now we have to give them padding or margin. These should have, the first one have a, how much is the margin? Let me see with the ruler. It have about 20 pixel padding or margin. No, of course, 13 pixel, 13 pixel margin, 13 pixel margin. Okay, let's give them 30 pixel margin. In order to do this, we have to mention, you can say left side column, children's button should have a margin of 30 pixel. Let's see the result. It's too much, I think, right? Let's make it less. Instead of 13, we can say like 11. Looks more better, right? And then let's change the background color of this black to the white, so we can put a black line under these icon, because as you can see, under this icon it have a black line or a gray line. We want to create that, so let's change this black to a gray one. So let's pick up the color from here. Now copy and paste it. Let's Control S. Now we can see that it has the same color as this place, as this column. What is this white border here? What is it? Let's check that out. So inspect. So this is HTML. The HTML, maybe it have a margin itself, right? Let me zoom out. So let's give the HTML a margin 0 or padding margin 0. HTML margin 0 pixel 0. Let's see if it solved the problem. Let me open the page again. No, it didn't solve the problem. So what is this? Maybe it is the margin of the container. So let's say, let's remove this one, getting back to container, and let's say margin 0 here. Nope. I don't know what is this, but I'm going to ask it from my friends in the Discord channel. So I'm doing it after the record. Let's get back here, creating the line. That line is, I think, with the tag of BR, if I am right, or HR. Let's just type that before searching. We can say the channel name, no, the Discord. Let me put them in order here, and say the Discord icon should have a BR or HR. So it give it a line. It's cool, but it's this line, as you can see here, is from this side, the left side, until the right side of the container, this column. But we don't want to do that, because as you can see, these lines are a little bit smaller. So how we can change the size of that? Is it possible to use width? So if I say this HR tag, HR width, like 10 pixel, for example. Okay, we can change the size. Let's make it to 30 pixel. Maybe bigger, like 35. Looks better, right? A little bit more, like 37. Okay, better. Now what do we need to do is to create another line here under the server. So we just need to give it a, we just need to copy this tag and put it below here. Okay, now we have it. How much we spend the time? About 21 minutes. Let's try. Let's practice 10 more minutes. These are having a smaller size margin, so let's get back here. Nine pixel margin, a little bit less, like 7. They are much less, like 3. Okay, it's getting better, right? Looks better. Now let's see what is this. Maybe we can find it in the internet, on the internet, or we can use ChatGPT. What was the site? Talk AI info.chat. We can use ChatGPT here. Why there is, or how can I remove the, is it padding or margin? The margin around the HTML tag. So we already tried this, but we tried margin. We didn't try padding and combined with margin. Let's do that. Here, let's say copy paste and Control S, and it is still here. It didn't change anything. So we have to ask another question from the ChatGPT. And how can I remove default space around the or maybe space in the HTML page. You can add these CSS style to your HTML page either by including them You can remove default space in the HTML page by using CSS to reset or adjust default margin and padding of the elements on the page. Here are a few ways to do this. This one is not the solution. The body. Maybe we have to give a shot here. Okay, the problem has been solved. So the space was from body tag, not HTML tag. Good. Thank you, ChatGPT. What else we have to do? Let's create this one, this panel. how much time you spent. About 25 minutes. That's enough for today. I think I have to go watching a video about express.js. So this is what I have practiced today. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys tomorrow.